Good morning, guys. This is day, I don't know, 30, I think, of math. Today we're going to actually get into the lesson two problem set worksheets. You should say lesson two problem set. And then number one is like this, and it's got a box, and it says each each box is, oh, sorry, has a value of 7. Okay. And then underneath it's got 1, 2, 5 of them stacked up. And it says unit form and then facts blank equals blank times 5. And then underneath says total and equals blank. Okay. So the first problem you'd be doing looks something like this. This is the worksheet. It should say lesson 2 problem set at the top. Okay. It says each box has a value of 7 in it, and then it shows 5 boxes in each of these. What it means is that each box has a value of 7, which means each of these are a group of 7. Okay. And unit form, what they're asking for is when we spell out, we do like 7 5s, 6 4s, right? So unit form, what they're asking is 5 what? What are these? Each of these are 7. Okay, so you will fill in on the first box 7s. So it says 5 7s. Okay, and then the facts are asking us 5 times what equals what times 5 based off of this. So how many boxes is the 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we multiplying it by? We're multiplying it by how many are in each box? 7. 5 times 7 equals the same as what times 5? 7 times 5. Okay. And then they want to know the total. What is 5 times 7? Count by our 7s 5 times. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. And this one says 35. Okay, that's for number 1 on the first problem set. Okay, now let me see what number 2 looks like because I have to go off of my worksheet. Okay, then, so you're only having to fill in those pink ones on that one. 7, 7, 7, 35. Okay, number 2, which is right below it, says, got squares, and then it says unit form. 6 sevens equal blank. Sevens plus blank. Sevens, which equals 35 plus blank, which equals blank. And then underneath says facts. Blank times blank equals blank, and then blank times blank equals blank. So that's what your second problem should look like. We have to fill in the answers now. Okay? So first, let's do unit form. This is showing us 6 sevens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We already have 6 sevens. We have to add up a group of 7 plus another, whatever amount of group of 7. But we know that the answer's got to be 35. So how many 7s equal 35 to start with? That will go in this box. So how many 7s? We just did it on the problem equal 35. Count by our 7s until you hit the 35. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So this is 5 sevens. Plus, how many 7s are left over? Just 1. Okay. So they gave us 35. Plus, how much is 1 7? Just 7. Okay. And then they want us to add them up. 35 plus 7. Does anyone know? $42. Okay. Now they want us our facts. We have to figure out what two numbers we multiplied to get the answer of 42. Well, they already told it to us up here, 6 sevens, but you could also just, we know that each box is 7, so the first number should be 7. And then how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 7 times 6 equals 42. Now we know the answer equals 42 again. What two numbers are we multiplying to get the answer this time? Remember, it's commutative property. You can just switch the order. 6 times 7. Okay? Now remember, they may ask down the road, what does the 7 mean? The 7 is how many are in each unit. The 6 is the amount of units. Okay? So, each unit has 7 in it, but each box is a unit. So this is a unit of 7, 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 a unit of 7. Okay? And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Each of them have 7 in it. All right? So that's for the first page of the problem set. Let me see what the second page looks like. Let's see. We'll do that one tomorrow. Okay. What I'm going to do real quick before we end this lesson is do some counting by so we can review a little bit of that. Okay. Could have done it first, but it's okay as long as we get some of our counting by. We're going to do our 6s, our 7s, our 8s, and our 9s. Okay, you guys got to keep concentrating on these so you can figure it out. Keep practicing at home. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, and 60. Okay, I'll see if I can count better today than yesterday. Backwards, 60, 54, 48, 42, 36, 30, 24, 18, 12, and 6. Okay, that's our 6s. Now, let's do our 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. Okay? And then backwards is 70, 63, 56, 49, 42, 35, 28, 21, 14, 7. Okay? Now, let's count by our 8s. Okay? This is the one that I messed up last time doing it. I think I'm going to do better at it this time. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. And then we go backwards. 80, 72, 64, 56, 48, 40, 32, 24, 16, 8. All right? And the last one we'll do is our 9s. Okay? 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, and 90. Okay? 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 27, 18, 9. Now remember, this is like those charts. Okay? These are times 1, times 2, times 3, times 4, times 5, times 6, times 7, times 8, times 9, times 10. Okay? And then that's that chart that I was showing you guys all. So, okay? So when I say 6 times 1, it's 1. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? 7 times 6, under the 7s, is 42. 7 times 9, under the 7s, is 63. 8 times 3, under the 8s, 24. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 8, 64. Okay? So these things can help you guys when you're working on multiplying. I expect you guys to be able to do a little bit of multiplication by the time we get back into school. Looks like we're not going back to school until this coming September. Maybe summer, but we won't find out until sometime this month, I think, from our governor. Okay? So we'll see how that turns out. But I need you guys to keep working on this math. I need you to work on all your work so we can catch up. Okay? You guys are doing great. Let me know if you need anything. Bye.